Welcome back to Brianne Janelle Gittins Studio. My name is Brianne Gittins and we're currently filming in Toronto. Today's video is all about my serger. This is a continuation of my sewing machine. And this is a great extension for your sewing machine. It will be a serger. The serger sergers all the edges of your fabrics that will be fraying away when you are creating a garment. So I love a serger. You need a serger. You can't sew without a serger. The only thing you don't need a serger for is for a blazer, because you don't really need to blazer. You don't need to serge the seams because it's going to be hidden with the lining. So this is my sewing machine. I have the Brother Lock 1034D and it is amazing. It is fast per minute. I don't know the whole thing about sewing machine about sergers. I am not a pro at this. I just did my research by watching reviews, and everyone had this machine. It was highly recommended, and it was a bestseller on Amazon, and that's where I bought it. I got it on sale on Amazon. I got it dirt cheap. I got it for $314, and I was so happy because I think a couple weeks ago this was at $500. So yeah, I'm happy I got it on sale, and it works so good. The thing about this machine is it's really fast per minute. It's so easy to thread. This is the most simplest thing to thread. It's not complicated. It is so easy. It comes with this, so you can put it right under here. So all your extra fabric could just pop into here. That's what I love about it. It is so efficient. And it's so efficient. It does the job well. I'm just getting my machine ready. So I put this down so it kind of buckles up. So I have to just do that first. My machine is ready. I'm going to show you how well it works. This is how it looks. This is with 4 spools of thread. So it's pretty cool how it looks like this. It looks so good. It looks like industrial. Can't tell the difference.